Today's build we have is LEGO Technic Snow Groomer. Snow Groomer comes with 178 pieces. It's set number 42148. It's for ages 7 above, and the set comes in at $9.99. So what are we gonna do? Let's get building.
Here we have Snow Groomer. What an amazing build. A lot of technical spots, like I've made a couple mistakes putting the wrong part in the wrong spot because I was misinterpreted on what was supposed to be going in that actual spot. But all in all, it was an absolutely amazing build. What you will have in the front, so right in the back, right back here, you'll have a spot. Turn this. Will allow you to turn the plow which way you want it to go to push the snow. The Snow Groomer does move. You might have to put a little force, but not even much force. It will move on the track. The tracks were, oh my goodness, the tracks took a while to build because there's 56 pieces, but 26 on each track. So that took an absolutely long time. And the back, if you take this and move it up and down, you can be able to, push the scoop the snow back, forth. And this also lifts it up and down. So if you want to be able to lift the plow up and down, there's a trigger right here. Up, down. And this is pretty much hooked on, so in other words, you really can't get a minifigure in there unless you want to try to stuff in the hole. It's going to be nearly impossible to be able to get a minifig in, so you can't put a driver in the driver's seat. But you go up, down, side to side, front plow, up, down, with the back push plow, tracks move. Awesome, amazing build. Absolutely amazing. If you're into snow plowing and plowing, or just into Technic set, this is absolutely amazing build to actually try and build, especially if you want to get technical on these tracks. These tracks were a nightmare. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys on the next build or next review. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.